huge and imposing. A warm welcome to Estadio do Morumbi here in Sao Paulo. And our live game is Brazil against Argentina. I'm Peter Drury, and this is Jim Beglin. Delight to have him on board.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Drury, and hello to everyone.
And already we're underway here. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Yeah, Angel Di Maria. He's someone who rarely fails to make a big impression. He's such a silky, elusive dribbler and a fine finisher with the knack of scoring some spectacular goals. He's a player that this team will want to have on the ball as often as they can. He's a great creator.
I think the opposition defence agree too. He's going to be the source of so many of their headaches. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Brazil just had to make the ball stick, but came up short.
He's got away, aimed long and direct. Neymar tries to stroke it through.
Marcus Rojo simply had to make that count, and he did it with some authority too. Wonderful.
That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it.
Bein really got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
And it's Paulinho. Hoists it high. Coutinho could try cutting inside here. Played into the middle. Neymar. Brazil goes for goal! He's done very well to get to that.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Played out to the right. Bein looks to thread it through. Out of play for a goal kick. Out for a throw. Dybala. Bein. Neymar. Gabriel Jesus looks to dink one in. Great ball, and now the shot. The first half is done, so neither team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. It's been an interesting game up to now, but still goalless. So your views on the first half?
Well, they've never really been threatened in the first half. I think it's been a magnificent team effort. The work rate has been superb. Very, very organised.
After 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change perhaps after half-time. And we're already back underway here.
Brazil playing well with lots of opportunities and plenty positives to take from the first half. Despite this scoreline, converting chances would make a world of difference for them.
Nicely controlled. It's a loose ball. Deftly done. It's a brilliant interception. Mercado battles to win it back. And it's Dybala. Looks like a good ball through. It's a goal kick. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Renato Augusto. Argentina keeping their men at arm's length here.
Yeah, I just think it's a conservative move to deny runners the opportunity of going beyond that rear guard.
Ball's loose, who's getting there? Bein. Now it's Aguero. Neymar with the ball through. He's gone for it! That's caused a worry or two.
Philippe Coutinho certainly could have and should have made more of that.
Poorly directed kick from the keeper, he's given it away.
Gabriel Jesus.
He's come loose.
Brazil merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
Tries a through ball. Gorgeous control there.
Argentina showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all their resources now. Gabriel Jesus.
Now the pass. Dani Alves with the cross.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
Out wide to the right. Messi is demanding it out wide. So that's it. It is all over. And stalemate. One, if not for fans, then perhaps for coaches. Satisfied by organisation and solidity. Little cutting edge at either end. And it finishes 0-0. Well, how will we look back on that?